alive. In an old rice field there's a broken path, and a hermit with eyes like yours and a smoker's laugh. Is this me? Am I stuck? Am I running out of faith?
Now they are going to show some of our students how to cook their own meals. They come from Sweden, Northern Ireland and Ireland.
Orain, irakasle euren errezeta irakatsiko da. Irakasleak Irlandatik, Ipar Irlandatik eta Suediatik dira.
Now we are going to show them.
Orain erazketak egitera goaz.
Is this an option at all? A toothless winter temple. Does this appeal to you? Is this an option at all? A toothless winter temple, wandering like hermits when the words are just excuses not to talk. Could it be I was stuck? Am I running out of faith? You can figure this out on your own. You're holding on the best one down before, dragging like a matchstick down the hole, wind with the water up against the wall.
These are the ingredients that we need.
They look tasty, don't they?
Yes, they look.
Here we can see cooks cooking the delicious meals.
Hemen ikusi musukaldaria janariko zer prestatzen.
Toothless winter temple, wandering like hermits when the words are just excuses not to talk. Could it be I was stuck? Am I running out of faith?
Now it's time to finish our recipes. Let's give them a last touch.
Errezeta amaitzeko ordua da.